I just want to thank you guys. It's been awesome. I really appreciate this. I'm taking a lot with me. Thank you.
Sam and Klasie, thanks for an awesome day. I will consciously be aware and mindful of my actions going forward.
Klasie and Sam, thank you so much. This was amazing. And I think it's just such a lovely way to actually go about discovering your purpose. Because I think very often people believe that purpose, you suddenly wake up and all of a sudden, boom, bang, you've got your purpose. So I love the process. I think it's really beautiful to unpack and be able to articulate the process. So really well done putting it all together and for sharing your really personal experiences. So really kudos to both of you. Really amazing. Thank you.
Klasie and Sam, it was an absolutely wonderful day. It was a privilege to listen to you two. You've given me so many insights that at 72 I didn't have before. So I hope there's time in the future for me to reappreciate the little things in life. So thank you very, very much.
Yeah, just from my side also, I think there's just so much. I know you gave it to us in bite sizes, but I feel quite overwhelmed about the amount of information there is to go through and so much to learn. So I really appreciate it. Thank you. I thought it was a great day. Thank you very much.
And Klasie and Sam, you guys work so well together. Just been a big privilege. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sam and Klasie. I mean, I think it's been just an introduction for me, but really you've shared so much and so many practical stories. So
well, it's absolutely amazing, and you've re-inspired me. It ignited me. I told my family I would never study again, and I think Diplomat is on its way.
Yes, it's just so nice to spend time with both of you today, and with all the friends here on the platform that are really, I find, a very meaningful time. You know, spending this time. I mean, there's so many things I could have done today, but this has been the cherry on the top.
So yeah, I really did like this. I enjoyed it, and you guys got me out of my shell a bit. And thank you for all the kind words in the messages after I shared my story.
Okay, great song.
Yeah.